Fun fact, you remember those days that most people used to call computers completers? Times are changing so fast. That was like 15 years ago. Back in those days, when you go to learn computers, you had two options. Option one was word processing, and that was mostly for women. And when you go for word processing, the first thing they ask you to do is start typing on Marvin's Beacon. Option two, it was for the big boys. You know what I'm saying. It was computer maintenance. When you go to do computer maintenance, the first thing you had to do was to cram a 25-character alphanumeric Windows key. If you don't cram that key, you might be stuck on the same position while your colleagues or classmates are moving ahead in the program. To the extent that if you are not able to cram this product key, you might not graduate or pass the course. It was really funny. But today, things have changed. Things have changed a lot. After the Windows XP came Windows Royal and some other sorts of Windows, then Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, and then Windows 10 Professional, and now Windows 11. We also have other operating systems like Ubuntu Linux and Mac OS, And with these new operating systems, you don't necessarily need the product key to format. You can even format to the end without the product key and even use the software, the operating system, and install basic programs and work without having the product key. Notwithstanding, each and every one of these ones have their advantages and disadvantages. In the past, once you have the product key, you can use it in multiple computers so many times. You can use it on even 1,000 computers. Today, things have changed. There are many ways you can go about this thing. You can install a Windows 10 Professional right up to the desktop and even start using without the product key. You can register later. Notwithstanding, it also has a disadvantage because there are many other programs that you might not be able to run on that Windows because you don't have the product key. And to buy this product key, today you might have to go online to get the original product key. Whereas back in those days, one product key you can use for like 1,000 computers with no problem. But today, one product key cannot even work on 2 or 3 computers. It is rare. But there are specific softwares, application softwares, that if you put on the system, it will not be able to perform well because you did not register. And you will have to buy these Windows keys online. This is the basis of this introduction, which is Introduction to Software Maintenance. Software maintenance is the process of modifying, updating, refining software systems after their initial release to ensure they continue to meet the changing user needs as time unfolds and also improve performance. In cases where you have already registered a product key and it cannot handle certain program, there is need to update the software or maintain the software in different ways. That is the basis for this program, 90 Days in Summer with the Informatique. We shall be looking at software maintenance digitally. In brief, software maintenance is the process of modifying, upgrading, refining software systems after their initial release. The most important goals of software maintenance is to improve software reliability and stability, improve performance and efficiency, and also to adapt to the changing times. Stay with us.